Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is one of the most popular and consumed dish of Pakistan. Every house and restaurant has its own version. Let's start the recipe. Take a pan, fill it with water and boil it. 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups of basmati rice, boil the rice 90%. Strain and keep aside. Heat 1 cup refined butter. Two green cardamom. Add dry fruits. Add half cup milk. Add sugar according to your taste. Cook till sugar dissolved. Food color. Mix well. Strain and keep aside. Add boiled rice into sugar syrup. Keep mixing in between. Cook on medium flame. Add colored rice. Add tutti frutti and raisins. Now slow down the heat and cook on low heat about 5 to 6 minutes. Hope you like this recipe and give us feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you want to see next.